Hi Bubba, Masi speaking. This is your pre-birth stories.
तुम पापा बनने वाले
Now we all were guessing छोटे श्याम आएंगे या छोटी मधु. We all smiled like crazy. And your mama cried because crazy mood swings. She studied as well. ये different story है. तुम बड़ी हो जाओ तब बताऊंगी. Yes, you started growing. Your mama started glowing. All thanks to you. Sheru got your sense. And then couldn't let you go. Couldn't let thee go.
ऐसी लविंग मासी कहाँ मिलेगी इसको?
I felt you. Yes, I cried because you are surreal. You kicked 3 times on my hand. Now let's talk about your cravings. Your mama couldn't eat anything but fruits in first trimester. Then you wanted dosa. Your mama ate dosa. You wanted achar. Your mama ate achar. Though I don't want that. You wanted Burger Club ke burgers. Your mama ate that. You wanted mithai.
There was a time जब आप मिठाई
And surprisingly, your mama ate that too. Sharing capacity कम होती गई. और लास्ट मंथ में शेयरिंग का ये हाल था.
You just gave me 2 pieces and that too उसमें से bite लगे.
Then, on your mama's birthday, you ate cake. You wanted another cake? Okay. हमने सोचा फोटो शूट करवा लेते हैं. Last month है. And all thanks to you, your mama and papa both look fabulous in the photos. तुम्हारी coming soon की इतनी खुशी. You can see. They look beautiful. You helped your mama to glow differently. We couldn't keep our hands off Dee's belly because you were in there and we wanted to feel you every time. तो हमें जैसा टाइम मिलता था, we just wanted to feel you. फोटोशूट के behind the scenes भी देख लो बेटा.
Baby
Yes,
mama.
you wanted another cake. As you said, फोटोशूट करके मेहनत करी है तो केक तो चाहिए. ठीक है भाई, खाओ.
Baby
You
mama.
really didn't problemize the pregnancy for your mom. It was very easy. But last month, your mama said, last month तू कर ले मुझसे, तुम्हारी मासी से. हमने बोला एक और फोटो शूट करवा लेते हैं. 7th January 2021, your second photo shoot. And yes, फोटो शूट किया है तो obviously you wanted cake. हम ले आए. Finally, the final day came. 9th January 2021. शाम को 6:33. He came in this world. हमारे घर झांझर लक्ष्मी के बाजे. Welcome, baby. We all love you. Yes, you can see your father, your masi, your mamu, your nanu, everyone dancing there.